We start off by assembling our end frames. The blue paint is the end frame tube and the yellow paint is a vertical tube. With the three-way corners, it's so easy to assemble your end frames. Look how fast I slipped that together. Wow, easy to assemble like Legos. With self-drilling screws, it's so easy, no pre-drilling holes. Bang, I got 2 end frames done in seconds. Now I'll simply slip my length walls into place that are identified with red paint. You have 4 length wall tubes on a 4-foot module. Look how easy they just slip right over the 3-way corners. Any homeowner can do this, and contractors can save a lot of time and labor with this system. Our one-way couplers make it very easy to install the vertical tubes into your module frames. We put 1 screw on one side and 1 on the top side, and look how easy you just secure this into your module. You got pre-drilled holes in the one-way connectors there, and a total of 4 screws to install this. Compare and save. BBQ Coach has the best prices. Our 4-foot module is only $200 versus $1,000 for grill netics. Steel tubing costs over $6 at your metal supply store, and we're selling it wholesale for around $3 a linear foot in our modules and kits. Here we're going to join 2 modules together very easy with connector plates. You can add as many modules together to make any size outdoor kitchen frame you want. It's just so easy with these connector plates. You just pull the modules together there and you're connecting those center vertical tubes, and then you take a hammer and hit down the edge of that connector plate in place. We ship nationwide with UPS and ground. We don't use those big freight trucks like Grillnetics, so it's much faster to get to you. If you're ready to build the outdoor kitchens of your dreams but need a little help on what to order from our website, come to bbqcoach.com and click on shopping list up here on the top right above the banner, and that'll take you to a page where you can pay $10, send in your drawing to our BBQ Coach assistants, and they'll send you back a complete list of parts that you can pick from our website.